Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python Programs for Beginners series. In this video, we're going to learn how to divide two numbers in Python using the division operator. In Python, we use the division operator, which is represented by the / symbol to perform the float division operation. The division operator takes two operands, one on the left and one on the right, and returns the result by dividing the left operand by the right operand. The result is a floating point number. Let's understand this with an example. If we take two numbers, 10 as the left operand and 4 as the right operand, the division operator returns their result, which is 2.5. Now, let us write a Python program to do the same. We'll begin by asking the user to enter two numbers. We'll use the input function to take input from the user as strings and then convert those strings into integers using the int function. We'll store the first number in a variable called num1 and the second number in a variable called num2. Now comes the main part, using the division operator. We will divide the first number by the second number using the expression num1 divided by num2 and store the result in a variable called result. Finally, we'll print the result using a print statement. Let us do a dry run of this logic. If the user enters 20 for num1 and 5 for num2, then the division expression becomes 20 divided by 5, which results in 4.0. This value is stored in the variable result, and the program prints that the result is 4.0. If the user enters 10 for num1 and 4 for num2, then the division expression becomes 10 divided by 4, which results in 2.5. This value is stored in the variable result, and the program prints that the result is 2.5. Let's run the program. When the user enters two numbers, for example 20 and 5, the program calculates the division and prints the result is 4.0. To summarize, the division operator in Python is used to divide one number by another. It takes two operands, divides the left by the right, and returns a floating point result. If this video helped you understand how to divide two numbers using the division operator in Python, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials.